Good afternoon from Highway 1 in sunny California. We are out for a drive today. We're just going to take you guys along. This is one of our favorite pastimes when we were living here. We just go out for a drive. It's something we actually really miss in Alaska because we live at the end of the road. There's no taking a Sunday afternoon drive for an hour or two because it takes you an hour just to get to the Y. We're going to drive up the coast here from Morro Bay towards Cambria and San Simeon and just enjoy the rest of the day and take advantage of being out for a golden hour. We haven't done a lot the last couple of days in terms of recording because it has been very windy. It's sunny and warm but windy. And we've had a lot of kind of end of year work to accomplish here as things wind down for 2017. So I've been working on that. And Ben, after we chatted a little bit, we thought, you know, what can we do here to kind of tie up the end of the year? And we thought 2017 in review would be an awesome video to do for you guys. And it's always a massive undertaking, right? So he's been working on that for the last couple of days. I think it's coming together really well and should be fun for you guys to watch, and it'll be fun for us to reminisce as we put it together. Stop at the Elephant Seal Rookery. If you're ever driving the one, it's a nice thing to stop and see. It's not something that you can see just anywhere because they're kind of special seals. So we're not going to do Hearst Castle today. That's just too much. This is more of just to enjoy the drive, enjoy the view, enjoy the ocean, but it's definitely a little more remote and off the beaten path, which is something we like.
Well, it probably doesn't surprise you that I like to push the limits, so I wanted to see how far up the road we can go. And I guess there's my answer. Okay, well, I still want to see the rock slide. And you know, from our perspective, we couldn't see it. I think we need to set our little friend up.
I think so too.
That was pretty awesome. You know, the perspectives you get when you're limited to 400 feet are different than when you're standing on the edge of maybe a 1,000-foot cliff. I'm not sure. It was pretty awesome. See you in a little bit. Okay guys, this is the Ragged Point Inn, and it's a few minutes south of where the road was closed. The restaurant doesn't open until 5, so we have like 20 minutes.
Oh, okay. Well,
but there's something over here I think you'll probably be able to entertain yourself with.
He wasn't kidding. There would be something that I could entertain myself with here. This place just went on my bucket list of places to stay. This is amazing.
Madame? So I'm not sure who's keeping an eye on who. We on Shelby?
Or Shelby
or
on us.
Shelby on us. See her little head sticking up.
Dinner is on the way, and I think we're gonna be done for the day. We've got a drive back, but it's in the dark, and we're gonna enjoy a nice relaxing meal together out. Thanks for joining us today. Be sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already so you can see what we're up to tomorrow. Have a great night.